Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new to the channel, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic. You guys can tell by the title of the video that we are going to be talking about Quant. You guys know what has happened in the markets over the last 24 hours. We are seeing a massive bloodbath across the board because of the fact that Bitcoin has seen quite a big red candle on its chart, but we were supported by $22,000 mark, which is definitely a plus point to take away from this. But the next few hours could be very critical. But looking across the markets, you guys can see a sea of red across the board. Some altcoins down 9.5%, 7.4%. So overall, the market is bleeding quite a bit. But if we're looking at Quant, it's only down about 1.5% compared to a lot of other projects. So what does this show us? What does this show us? That's what we're going to get into right now in today's topic. So looking at the price of Quant, it is currently trading at $124.49. It's down about 1.5% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, but also up about 3.3% in Bitcoin and Ethereum comparative over the last 24 hours. So without a doubt, right now we have seen obviously the market valuation for Quant drop below that $2 billion mark. We're currently sitting at $1.8 billion. And the 24-hour trading volume is currently sitting at $29.6 million. But let's focus towards the price. What's going on and where is it going in the immediate short term? And I wanted to share something very interesting with you guys. So before we do get into that, as always, just a quick disclaimer that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So right now, you guys can see we literally got supported by this 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level when the price of Bitcoin retraced, and obviously the entire market got impacted, but we got supported within this blue range, and that is definitely a plus point to take away from this. You know, a lot of other altcoins bled even harder, but we're seeing Quant hold way stronger compared to other altcoins, which is a good thing to take away from this. But now if I do bring out the hourly time frames, we get a better perspective as to what really is going on. I wanted to share something very interesting with you guys. So if I bring out the measuring tool for you guys, we saw the price of Quant drop from $126 all the way down to this $119, which was a drop of about 6.6%. And remember, BTC dropped about 7% in a single hour, which impacted the entire markets. Majority of the altcoins right now are down 15 to 16% from previous to the crash that happened in the market, which is a cool off. But what is extremely bullish for Quant is look at this wick back up. We saw Quant instantly go up about 4.5%, and that is showing strength. That is showing holder strength, interest coming in Quant, and hence we are seeing Quant holding really strongly in this dip. We have seen this happen before where Quant really didn't care about Bitcoin's price momentum, and this was during the bear market when the volatility was at its peak. We did not see Quant react much around this range. You guys can see we saw Quant go all the way up to $228 in a bear market when Bitcoin was having extreme volatility. Obviously, we did retrace back down to $95 after the FTX collapse, but look where we're sitting right now. Quant is looking extremely bullish, and these kind of moves are the moves that shock me when it comes to the overall strength of a project. So if I do bring out the measuring tool for you guys, we are basically down only 1.7% compared to where the price was prior to the crash, which is extremely bullish. That's like mind-boggling in my personal opinion, and I do believe this strength is going to get a lot of people having their eyes back on Quant, and I really do believe that this year is the year where we could see Quant hit an all-time high, and it has shown us its strength in the past just a few months back, and the strength has gone nowhere. Even with low amounts of volume, we saw this impressive move for Quant, and that shows the strength that the holders have. And obviously the price did not go down as much because the holders are strong, and that is a huge point that not a lot of people are going to discuss with you. But if we're looking at the price of BTC, as I've mentioned, BTC does need to stay above this $22,000 support line. It's very, very important. If we break below it, then obviously that turn bearish for the entire market. As you guys know how important the $22,000 mark is for me on this channel. So that's something I want the price of Bitcoin to do, and that is hold above here, and things will look fine in my personal opinion. But BTC dominance, on the other hand, is decreasing. This could be a massive turning point for altcoins if Bitcoin does not have a lot of volatility on its side. So it's very interesting to see how things play out this coming week, but I will keep you guys updated. Turn your bell notifications on so you guys don't miss any updates from me in regards to anything that I cover. And thank you so much for all the support you guys are showing me. Let me know down below what you guys think, where you could see the price of Quant going, and I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.